Hello to all dear friends. Today I have prepared for you an exciting and new idea to make YouTube videos without the need for a face. This idea can help you create a successful channel on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other social networks and make money easily. Let's take a look at one of the channels that use this method. The channel currently has more than 81,000 subscribers, and some of its videos have attracted up to 4 million views. Imagine that you can achieve such success by doing a few simple tasks and using these methods. This method is really easy and practical. You can make interesting and popular videos without having to appear in front of the camera yourself. All these steps can be implemented using simple and easy tools. From content preparation to video editing and uploading on different platforms, everything is available to you. Now imagine that by doing these steps and sharing your videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other social networks, you will not only get the attention of millions of people you attract, but you can earn a significant income in this way. This method is perfect for those who are looking for a simple and effective way to earn money online. Ready to try this amazing method? If you're as excited as I am, then it's time to get started. In the following, I will guide you step by step so that you can quickly and easily make your faceless videos and start making money. So without wasting time, let's get down to business and take the first step. Are you ready? The next step is to move on to tools that help you create attractive and high-quality visual content for your videos. One of these useful tools is the Lexica.art website. First, visit the Lexica.art website. If you don't have an account, you can easily register. This process only takes a few minutes, and after that, you will have access to a world of images and creative ideas. To start, I was inspired by the video title of one of the successful channels called Travel, Exploring, Train, and Spider. By entering these keywords in the search section of the Lexica site, you can find a collection of related images. These images can give you ideas for designing scenes and content for your videos. For example, I found several images related to adventure, trains, and spiders that perfectly matched the theme of my intended videos. Then I downloaded these images to be used in the next stages of editing and using them in my videos. Using artificial intelligence tools to create images. For example, you can instruct Leonardo AI to create an image of a train moving through a dark forest with a giant spider. These images are not only attractive and unique, but they can help you differentiate your videos from others and attract more attention. Well, now that you have collected your appropriate and attractive images, it's time to turn these images into videos. For this, we go to a powerful and free tool called Haper.ai. First, visit the Haper.ai website. This site is a versatile and highly efficient tool that allows you to easily convert images and text into professional videos. Registering on this site is very simple and only takes a few minutes. The best part is that Haper.ai is completely free, so you can enjoy its amazing features without any cost. Here you have several options, including converting text to video, converting photo to video, and even adding cool effects and animations to your videos. Now it's time to convert images downloaded from Lexica.art into videos. To do this, go to the Photo to Video section on the Haper.ai site. Here, you can simply upload your images and choose different settings to convert them into videos. With a few simple clicks, these images are turned into short and attractive videos that can easily be used in YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram videos. One of the cool features of Haper.ai is that it allows you to add visual effects and music that match the theme of the video. Add easily. This can take your videos to the next level and make them much more engaging. Guys, it's time to add another key element: background music. Music can bring your video to a new level of charm and emotion and make the video viewing experience much more enjoyable for your audience. To find the right music, we can turn to a free and reliable source, Pixabay. This site is one of the best sources for free downloads of music, video, images, and even sound effects that you can use in your videos. What sets Pixabay apart from other sources is that all of its content is licensed under a Creative Commons license, so you can safely use it in your commercial or non-commercial projects. To get started, visit the Pixabay website. Here you can easily search for the music you want using keywords. For my video, which is about nature and adventure, I entered the word nature in the search bar of the site. From the displayed music, I chose a suitable song that perfectly matched the theme of the video. The music I chose was soft and pleasant and conveyed the sense of peace and beauty of nature well. Then, with a simple click, I downloaded it and was ready to add it to the video content matching. The music should match the content of the video. If your video is about nature, calm and gentle music can be a good choice. If your video has exciting scenes, energetic and beating music will be more suitable. Volume and sound level. Note that the volume of the music should not overpower the speaker's voice or other sound effects. It's usually best to keep the background music at a lower level to just serve as a pleasant accompaniment. Video editing. Optimization using CapCut. Well guys, now that you have collected all the components of your video, It's time for the final step, editing and editing the video. In this step, we will use a powerful yet simple tool called CapCut, which is available for both mobile and desktop. First, if you haven't installed CapCut on your device yet, you can download and install it from app stores like Google Play or Apple App Store for mobile, or from the official website for desktop version. CapCut is a free and very user-friendly software designed for beginners to professional users. After installing CapCut, open it and create a new project. Here you can import videos you've already made, including images converted to video on Hyper.ai. To do this, just select the video file from your device's gallery or storage folder and drag it to CapCut's timeline. At this point, you can easily trim your videos, remove extra parts, and place images in different places. Put it right. One of the good features of CapCut is that you can edit your videos carefully and delicately, using various cropping tools and settings. For example, if parts of the video need to be corrected, or if you want to show a certain part of the video more. However, you can use the crop tool to adjust those parts exactly to your liking. One of the key points in making an attractive video is the use of effects and transitions. These tools help you create smooth and eye-catching connections between different video scenes. CapCut has a wide range of effects and transitions that you can easily add to your video. For example, if you're transitioning from one nature scene to another, you can use soft transitions to make the transition smooth and be more attractive. Also, visual effects like color filters or lighting effects can give your videos a special look and convey the mood you want to the audience. If you have already downloaded background music from Pixabay, now is the time to add it to your video. To do this, just import the music file into CapCut and add it to the audio timeline. You can then adjust the volume to match the background music and other sound effects. Once you've added all the desired components, it's time to prepare your video for finalization. CapCut allows you to save video in several different formats and with different qualities. Before finalizing, be sure to review the video one more time to be sure of all the details. Now your video is ready to be shared with the world. CapCut allows you to upload your video directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Just click on the Share option and select your desired platform. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. I hope this video has helped you to earn money. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and send it to your friends until the next video.